Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Goyal of College BMIT IPU. I have made my project on Boston horse prediction. This video is being uploaded as a part of assignment on machine learning using Python for Skyfire Labs. Now, let's start with this project.
In this video, I am going to explain the prediction of prices of Boston housing using linear regression. First, we have to import the required library functions. We have to load the Boston data sets. Now we will print the characteristics of Boston data set. These data sets have 14 attributes in which 13 are numerical data and 1 is median value, which is known as target. We are printing data sets by using the feature as a column using the function data frame. In this there is 506 rows into 13 columns. The function Boston text is used to display a single column. Now we will assign the target, which is the price which we are here to predict. We can find easily the maximum and minimum value by using these function max and min. The function concat is also used here. Now we will round off the data set to 3 digit as shown in this video. Now we will visualize the data set by using this logic. We can see the target highly correlated with LASTAT. There are many functions used to define update, gradient descent, the logic behind the error less than the threshold, and the stopping gradient descent. Now we plot the regression curve by mean square formula. We can see the slope curve is negative. In this, error gradually decreases. Now we can predict value by using this function and the formula mean square error. Now we can create data frame using this function and we plot a function. Thank you for watching this video.